Do you want to automate your tasks but don't know how? No worries, I'm here to tell you that how you can create web apps that will automate your tasks in just few seconds. So let's get started. Let's write a prompt. I want to create a web app. I want to create a web app that provides 5 unique SEO optimized blog titles. As I'm a content writer, so content writers can understand that writing blog titles will take too much time of our whole writing process, because title must be eye catchy, engaging, that and hook based, that user click on it. So let's automate this process. Every time the web app provides unique and eye-catchy hook-based title, make sure naturally place the keyword in each title. I need code in HTML, CSS, and JS. Here you go. In just few seconds, you'll get HTML, CSS, JS code. You just have to copy this and paste it on the other tool. Let's move towards another tool. Go to Google and search CodePen. This is the front end sample tool. You can test your code here. So just copy HTML code and paste it into the HTML box, and same for the tool. Your web app is ready. So let's enter keyword. But before that, I want to zoom in. I don't know why it's not zoom in. I hope guys you'll see this. I don't know what's the issue. Let's enter a keyword. For example, weight loss. Okay, so check it out. 10 proven ways to master weight loss like a pro. The ultimate guide to weight loss for beginners. And here you go. Pick the best one according to your needs and use it in your blog post. Let's try another keyword, that is ChatGPT tips. So, how to boost your success with ChatGPT tips in 2024. Why every business needs to focus on ChatGPT tips. Isn't it amazing? Okay, uh, so let's create another app. This time, let's take a scenario. You are new to writing and you want someone to analyze your writing and provide feedback according to your writing. So, what if I told you you can do this with ChatGPT? Let's get started. So, now I want to create a web app that will rate my writing. Just a simple prompt. Repeat the process again, so I'll fast forward to it. um, okay, so our app is ready. Let's write 2 to 3 sentences and let's see how it rates me by writing. By the way, I'm writing just 2 or 3 sentences, short sentences, like a post description, but it will need a proper paragraph to analyze your writing. So, kindly, if you make this tool, so provide entire blog post or half blog post at least. So, for this, for now, I'm just testing it out. I think it will give me 1 or 2 score rate. Okay, it will give me 3. Okay, for now, we take paragraph from ChatGPT and let's see how it will rate it. It rated 5. Okay, so you can go to ChatGPT and say refine it more. But still, I'll tell you, this tool is for you, automating your task. So you have to provide your own piece of content here if you want to analyze your writing. So I hope you like this. It's just a start. Let me tell you again, it's just a start. I have these two ideas and I implement it. You have any idea, you can implement it also. Don't need to worry about that it will work or not. Just try it out and experiment. I hope you like this video.